Hey there. Did you know that certain herbs can significantly speed up hair growth? If you're tired of waiting forever for your hair to grow, stick around because I've got some amazing tips for you. Welcome back, Sekhmet's children, my beautiful people, to Sekhmet's Magical Spiritual DIYs. Today, we're diving into the world of natural hair care. We're going to explore 4 super herbs that can help you achieve extreme hair growth. Plus, I'll be sharing my favorite homemade hair butter cream recipe that you can whip up right in your kitchen. Let's get those locks growing. Discover the secrets to luscious locks with our latest video, 4 super herbs for extreme hair growth, hair butter cream recipe. If you're battling thinning hair due to medication as myself, or simply want to give your locks an extra boost, you're in the right place. We've created a list of 4 potent herbs: Moringa, Spirulina, saw palmetto, and bamboo extract that are renowned for their ability to supercharge hair growth and improve overall hair health. Four ounces of coconut butter, 4 ounces of mango butter, 1 tablespoon of moringa, 1 tablespoon of spirulina, 1 tablespoon of saw palmetto, and 1 tablespoon of bamboo extract, 2 tablespoons of red palm oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, and 2 tablespoons of my extreme hair growth oil for edges and hair. And we will be putting in peppermint, eucalyptus, and cedarwood as per preference. I will be using a double boiler to infuse the butters and oils with the super 4 herbs. Coconut butter deeply moisturizes, helps regenerate cells, and is non-greasy, making it suitable for fine hair and oily scalps. Mango butter hydrates hair and scalp, reduces breakage, and smooths and softens hair. Red palm oil strengthens hair, protects against UV damage, and adds a natural sheen. Coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft to condition and reduce protein loss, preventing damage and promoting shine. Avocado oil nourishes and strengthens hair, reducing breakage and promoting growth while adding moisture and shine. My Edge and Hair Growth Oil, custom blend and formulated to stimulate follicles and support healthy hair growth. So now we will melt these oils and butters together to get them ready to receive the 4 super herbs. Moringa nourishes the scalp, strengthens follicles, and promotes healthy hair growth. Spirulina stimulates hair growth, improves elasticity, and adds shine. Saw Palmetto prevents hair thinning by blocking DHT and nourishes the scalp. Bamboo extract improves hair elasticity, strengthens the hair shaft, and promotes overall hair health. Gently heat the mixture on low heat for 30 to 45 minutes, allowing the herbs to infuse into the butters and oils. Stir occasionally. The butter and oils are all melted. So now we're mixing all of the powders together. Now it's time to strain. I am using a strainer and a cheesecloth because the particles are so many because of the powders I used. It was still hot, so I had to use something to squeeze it out. Now this will be ready to put in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes or so. Be back. It's ready. It's ready to be whipped into our 4 super herbs for extreme hair growth hair buttercream recipe. Look how it changed colors. Essential oils. Peppermint. Peppermint boosts scalp circulation, promotes hair growth, and reduces itchiness. The rest of the footage, I forgot to show you the other essential oils. The next essential oil I used was eucalyptus. It reduces dandruff, supports healthy growth, and cleanses the scalp. And the cedarwood strengthens follicles, balances scalp oil, and helps reduce hair loss. Transferring to containers. Make sure you store in a cool, dry place. Use as needed on hair, focusing on the end and scalp for maximum growth benefits. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I'd love to hear about your hair growth journey. Have you tried any of these herbs before? Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more hair care tips and tricks. See you next time. Healthier, longer hair starts here. It will need your warmth from your hands because it's pretty solid. But as you can see, it melts down very quickly. And so I use it as a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner after I wash my hair. But you can also use it as a pre-poo too. Or you can also rinse it out if you prefer. It's up to you. Thank you for watching Sekhmet's Magical Spiritual DIYs.